it up now. We may shake it up again next week in Daytona. So we'll see what happens. A big win for Bowman. Daytona on the horizon. Back downstairs to Pete.
And the guy who came home second 2 years in a row, 2 last lap battles for the lead, 2 second place finishes. Talk about how, tell us how Alex Bowman got around you.
Yeah, it was pretty good there on the long run, and we were able to get by him. And then you know, he was struggling, and I was surprised when we got to him. But when I got by him pretty quickly, I was like, all right, cool. You know, hopefully I'll be able to stretch it. But he was able to just get enough of a draft kind of on me down the front stretch. And